Christina from Travels with Ted, and today I am helping you understand extended RV warranties. Let's start with the basics. What is an extended RV warranty? It's a service contract that covers repairs to your RV for a set period of time. This is different from the factory warranty provided by the manufacturer. Extended RV warranties are usually purchased through the dealership or a warranty company such as wholesale warranties. These warranties can be purchased for new or used RVs. Extended warranties protect an RV's electrical and mechanical components, such as appliances, slide-outs, automatic leveling systems, and entertainment components. They do not cover maintenance, wearable items, or non-electrical or non-mechanical components. Non-covered items include the roof, awning fabric, and glass. An extended warranty also does not cover damage covered by RV insurance policies, such as physical damage from a tree falling on the RV. Aside from those standards, every extended RV warranty has different coverage and terms. There are some simple questions RV buyers can ask to learn exactly what is covered in each policy. Question 1. Is it an exclusionary or comprehensive policy? This is the first thing to understand about any extended warranty you are evaluating. An exclusionary policy covers all mechanical components except those listed under the What is Not Covered or Exclusions section of the warranty. An exclusionary policy generally offers a higher level of coverage. If your RV has several high-tech components or a fancy off-grid system, an exclusionary policy is the right type of warranty. The other type of policy is a comprehensive warranty, also known as a stated component warranty. This type of policy lists what components are covered and only covers what is specifically stated. Stated component warranties usually only cover major components and typically do not list wiring as a covered component. Question 2. What is the deductible? A warranty covers repairs to your RV. However, each repair will have a deductible. When shopping for RV warranties, ask how much the deductible is per claim. When comparing policies, it is important to understand the cost of the warranty as well as the deductible. If a warranty has a high deductible, your out-of-pocket costs may be more even if the policy is cheaper. Question 3. Are service calls covered? Service calls refer to mobile RV repair services that come to your RV. Some extended warranties cover fees for mobile mechanics, while others require you to take your RV to a repair facility for work. Having a policy that covers service calls is convenient for any RV owner, but it's essential for full-time RVers who must pay for alternate accommodations when their RV is in the shop. Also, check whether there are any restrictions or requirements in the contract on where you can take your RV for repairs. Question 4. Is there an emergency claim clause? Warranty work requires pre-authorization, which means your extended warranty will only cover repairs if they authorize the repair facility to start work. However, some policies have an emergency claim clause that allows for repairs without authorization when there is an emergency outside of normal business hours. Question 5. Are wheels, tires, and roadside assistance covered? Wheels and tires are not usually covered under an extended RV warranty. However, some companies offer additional coverage for these components. If you do not already have roadside assistance, also inquire if there is an option to include this feature with your extended warranty. No RV traveler should hit the road without the peace of mind provided by roadside assistance. Now, let's talk about where to purchase your extended RV warranty. First, where not to buy. I strongly advise against purchasing an extended warranty from an RV dealership without shopping around first. RV dealerships rarely offer the best deal on extended warranties, and many dealers sell low-quality plans. As a sales tactic, some dealerships offer warranties only after the purchase price has been negotiated and try to pressure buyers to purchase the warranty while signing the paperwork. Avoid making an impulse purchase by having a plan for your warranty before the day of the RV purchase. Instead of purchasing an extended warranty through your dealership, I recommend shopping through wholesale warranties. This company only sells A-rated warranty programs, which ensures that 90% of their customers' claims are adjusted in just one phone call. Every customer also has access to a warranty specialist and a claim assistance team to answer any questions and ensure claims are processed quickly. Our warranty was also about half the price of the extended warranty offered by the dealer. See the description for a link to request a quote. Thanks for watching and happy camping.